right side, there's left cover.
Runner, get up here.
You start on the regardless, man.
We are not running, okay? We are not running.
Safety off. Where's the pass?
Very
The pass right here.
Wait, why are they up there?
They're runners.
I mean,
Go!
I'm recording, right?
Team Pr0cna.
Team Pr0cna, that's right.
Pr0cna.
It's Ancourt backwards, that's where we work.
That's where we work.
Ball!
Ooh, mushroom. Joey, mushroom. You look like
I'm gonna get lost.
Yo, can I just book it straight through?
You could.
There's a little trail right here.
go. They're not this far back on the left. They're good. I still keep the gun up though.
Gavin is not afraid.
Huh?
So you are not afraid.
Keep going. Yeah, we go all the way to their spot. Well, I'm like the most visible, so.
Yeah, you send the white shirt first.
You also send the white jacket first. Go.
Do you see anyone?
No.
Keep going then. There's someone walking back, but I don't know if they're...
Stop. Move. Where?
Sorry.
Probably 1, 2. He went down that trail.
What?
Sure?
I'm too sure.
Yep, go.
Ow. You can't tell if that was a hit or like a...
There we go.
Oh, my God.
I gotta get the squad on camera.
Yeah, everything's too deep from now.
Hit!
You got this. So he's going that way.
Push back up.
Oh, hit!
Got one.
I guess you should.
There was one coming up here, but there's one on the right too, like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, but there's a tree in front of me.
Hit! I think this is our spawn, yeah.
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 You want to go up front?
Yeah, we can make it a little different this time. Excuse me. Is there a pole off base?
You can see a bunch of people right here. Off to the left.
Yeah? Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, I hit a tree.
You got one running across, right? I see him right here.
I'm a little fogged, which is annoying.
I'm very fogged. I cannot see.
He's over there.
Guy right back there.
Yeah. I wonder if we can sneak up left side.
What's up?
So I wonder if there's room to get closer on the left side. Like this way. Aw, come on, call that. Alright, gotta reload.
Reload, I'll cover you, man. I think someone has a shotgun and they tried to shoot me, but it didn't make it. I saw baby. Someone saw me, but I went down.
Runner's on the right. Yeah, runner's on the right.
Whoever tries to send me as a runner.
You see the runner coming up?
Heck no. Whoever tries to send me out as a runner, I'm going to heck no. He's looking full auto me. I wanted to cry. You know the rep.
Oh, they got me.
Hit!
Yeah, they got me on my fucking lip. Off the head. He's like,